Namaste. Good morning everyone. Respected Vijay sir, my dear teachers and my beloved students. First of all, a very happy 80th Independence Day to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Today we proudly celebrate the freedom of our great nation, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Today we salute and remember the countless freedom fighters, those who sacrificed their life so that today we are living in an independent India. We are not dependent on anyone. Today we are very independent. Yes? Their courage, their determination and love towards our country make sure that freedom is very precious. Freedom is very
Precious.
and it must be always protected. You are the citizens who are going to protect the freedom of our country. Isn't? Countless freedom fighters fought for the freedom of India. They sacrificed their lives and they inspire the remaining people with their slogans. I just discussed a few of them. Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi gave a slogan, do or die. Do or? And you know very well Bhagat Singh. Inkilab Zindabad. What is meant by Inkilab Zindabad? Long live our revolution. They were doing the revolution against the Britishers, right? Long live revolution. Until we get the freedom, we should do the revolution. That is Inkilab Zindabad. Bala Gangadhara Tilak, he said, Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Swaraj means country's freedom. It is our birthright. It should not be begged from others or it should not be gifted from others. It is our birthright, we should have it. This is said by whom? Bala Gangadhara Tilak. Swaraj is my birthright and we shall have it. I shall have it. Subhash Chandra Bose, give me blood, I will give you freedom. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. And you know very well Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, she said, I will never surrender my Jhansi to anyone. Yes? And the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he said, unity is our strength. Unity is our strength. And you know very well, unity in diversity. India's greatest strength is unity in diversity. Yeah, you know very well the meaning of diversity. Unity in diversity means different people of different religions, different traditions, different languages in India live together with mutual respect. Here there are different religious people, different tradition and different culture, but you are all friendly with each other. You are respecting each other, isn't it? So India is a land of unity in diversity. India is a land of unity in diversity. Dear students, it's very important that you all should know about our freedom fighters, about our Indian history and the rich Indian culture. You should be aware of all this. And some people used to say that we are celebrating, we are showing our love, our respect, our gratitude towards our nation only on the Independence Day and not on the remaining. Yeah, I agree with that. Because patriotism should not be confined or should not be limited to one single day. Not only on Independence Day. We should love our country, we should serve our country every single day. How we are going to do that means with honesty, with kindness, hard work, respecting your parents, respecting your teachers, your elders, and being good and being a responsible citizens to the society. Like that, every day we should serve our country. But I believe that there should be one special day to show our gratitude towards our nation. Every day we are making the speeches like that, we are singing patriotic songs and we are celebrating. No. Only on special day we are doing that because there is a need. Then if there is no special day, then when we will celebrate? So Independence Day is the reminder. So on this day we are celebrating, we are showing, we are expressing our gratitude towards our nation. And the future of our nation is in your hands. You are the future of India. So all of you study with dedication, develop good values, respect your elders, parents, teachers, and be responsible citizens. Success is not about achieving good careers in your life. Success is about becoming a good human being. Becoming a good who contributes positively to the society. Not settling in a good career is not important. How we are behaving, how we are contributing towards the society is very important. Isn't it? Yes. I trust, I believe that all the students of Alphabet School makes India proud by your character, by your service to the society, and by your achievements. Will you? Will you make India proud? Yes. And I also believe that there are many future doctors here. How many of you want to become doctor? Future engineers, artists, entrepreneurs, soldiers, teachers, future teachers. Like that, I can see many of your future doctors, artists, you all will bring glory to our nation. You all will bring glory to our nation. Today let us promise that not only on Independence Day, on August 15th, just we are doing the celebrations, but every single day we are going to respect our nation with all this honesty, kindness, discipline, hard work, respecting elders. Let's our tricolor flag flies high, and our beloved India should always progress to continue with peace, prosperity and harmony. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Every day you should be respect towards our country. You should be responsible towards our country. Done? Yes, ma'am. Thank you.